Fix in 5. Got a P0508? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Ignore it long enough, and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Engine stalling at idle, rough or erratic idle, engine hesitation during acceleration, check engine light illuminated, difficulty maintaining stable RPM at stop. Now the most likely causes. Faulty idle air control IAC valve, IAC circuit wiring damage or corrosion, engine control module ECM malfunction, vacuum leak affecting idle control, fuel injector contamination. How to fix it? Clean or replace idle air control IAC valve. Repair damaged wiring in IAC circuit. Address vacuum leaks. Replace fuel filter if contamination suspected. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45, €150 doing it yourself, or €125, €230 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 495 models. People also ask, will P0508 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0508 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0508. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe. New fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.